All right, we're back. Sorry it's taken so long. Kind of underestimated how long it'll take me to find some parts for this thing. In this episode, I get all the new interior back in the car. Mostly done. There's a few little bits and pieces I need to sort out still. But first, let's head off a little road trip, grab the rest of the parts for it so I can smash this out. Don't get geeked up, like it beat up. Tell that how I'm moving it. It's off on a little bit of a road trip this morning. Coffee, ready to go. We've got nearly just under 2 hours still to go. Picking up some more parts for the R32. Trying to find parts for it, just hasn't been happening. Trying to find another car from the auctions. Nothing has come up, no 3 doors, especially over the Christmas break, everything like that. Nothing's really come up at all that's been suitable. And this guy's wrecking a GTI, a 3-door, so grab a whole heap of bits off that. That'll be alright. The seats aren't the best, but they're a lot better than we've got, so I'll get those repaired. I'm pretty sure this gives us everything now to fix or to finish it. Alright, back from our little road trip with some parts. Got some new airbags, because I'll show you later on the airbags because of the water. These parts here look sort of fairly damaged. Whole heap of interior trims, seat belts, another set of headlights. Front bar, that was particularly hard to get. It's sort of decent front bar. I was going to use the one off this car originally, but I've got another use for that. And this one's just much better condition. It just really just needs to respray. The grill's got one tiny little crack on it. Other than that, it's really good. Set of seats. And some new wheels. I don't know if I'm going to use these wheels on it or not. There's other ones I had laying around. I've sold the ones on this. I think the aim though at the moment, got to get all the rest of the interior ripped out, the dash, steering column, all that. I've got all the other interior bits and pieces pretty much put all together now. We'll then start working on the outside of the car. Still got brakes to do, front suspension. Obviously got to paint this. Bonnet's got to be resprayed. I did steal the bonnet off this one. Most of the interior's all stripped out now, got all that. Took the sunroof out as well. Just want to really get in, clean it all up. Took these out. None of that's going back in the car. As I was saying about the airbags, a bit of rust around everywhere. That's why I took the dash out because all the clips. I didn't really know what it was like back here, but all the clips, because the car's had water in it, it's just, I'm not even going to bother. I've got another dashboard to go in. I've got seat belts. I've got another heater box. All this I took out. I've got replacement for all of that. So it's all out now. I'm just going to clean all that up. I don't think I'll take that out. Just want to clean all this now, and then I can start reassembling it all. Got some new foam tool around here. Everything, all this, all out of another car. Another sunroof, carpet, underlay, dashboard, everything's all ready to go in now. As you saw before, the car's all cleared out, ready to go. Get started here, get all the foam in, get all the dash bar, heater box, everything all in. They can start put all the carpet, get it all done. So hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Right, now we've gone ahead and got all the heater box, dash bar, everything all in. I've also thrown in the other steering column and went through and tidied up all of the wiring. I rewrapped it all because it was all coming apart. It's just sitting there as old, so it's just tidied it all up, neatened it all up, put it all back in the clips because it's all fallen out. Also got the handbrake back in. Next thing, I guess, now that this is all done, all buttoned up everywhere, I can then just get the dashboard cover in. So we'll get that done. Always fun trying to put these things in yourself. There's never enough room. Alright, we're in. This is the point where you realise that you've put stuff in you shouldn't have put in yet. That's where I've got to go. There's there. Oh. All just fell into place. That's good. That was easy. All right, now we've got the airbag module all back fitted under there. The clusters back in, seat belts, a couple little bits and pieces tied up on it. I have all of these parts here. So yeah, airbags, all the trims, back trims, steering wheel, center console, everything here. It's taken me probably 20 hours to sort all this stuff, get it out of a couple. I've got another car that I've wrecked, so just pulling it all apart, trying to find it all. Make sure I've got everything else to finish the build. The other thing I do first is window tint off the back before the trims. So I get started on, get that tint off, and then can put all this back in and hopefully get it all finished up today. All right, we're gonna wrap this one up here. All the interior is pretty well all done now. It's coming together so well. There's a couple bits and pieces I've still got to find and work out what I'm gonna do. I haven't got another radio for it yet. Obviously the roof lining's not done yet, so can't put a lot of the trims in for that, and boot trims, but I'll spin around and give you a bit of a look. So it's coming together quite nicely. Haven't finished all this yet because once the radio goes in, that can all be finished up. Got to get another gear surround. But yeah, it's come up really nice. Had a few issues with the seats and things like that. I've got to sort out the airbag connector there, and still got to finish off the boot. But once the roof lining is finished, got the sunroof in. Once I get the roof line done, I can do all the rest of the trims, finish all this off as well. So thanks for watching. It's taken a long time to get where it is today. I've probably spent a week just on the interior alone, just putting it all back in, finding all the bits. So it shouldn't take too much longer. Once I get the roof lining done, it'll be finished up pretty quickly. Next episode though, no more interior. I'm sick of it. I'm sure you guys are too. We'll do brakes and probably do the timing chain next one. We'll see how we go. But yeah, it shouldn't take long to get all that done. I've got all the parts to do it. Bit more motivation as well. It's kind of, this interior has been doing my head in. It's taken, I think, 3 or 4 months just to get all the stuff together, organised for it, plus get the time. And then when I did get the time, it's either too hot, too cold, raining. It hasn't been too cold yet, but I'm sick of this weather in Sydney at the moment. It's been really hot summer, and if it's not hot, it's raining, brings the humidity. So inside the shed, got no air conditioning, so I'm kind of dying. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.